Hi guys, and welcome to Video Remix Review. This is a web-based video making software that's actually specialized in personalization of the video itself. Now, I don't like to use the words revolutionary, but I really have to use it in this example because I haven't seen some software do what this software can do. And so let's just go into it. You have a bunch of templates. This is the dashboard. You have a bunch of templates here that you can use and edit. So I'm not gonna go into those right now. Let's go to my projects. I have created already a little video over here, so let's go and edit that one. Okay, so this is what the interface looks like when you when you go to edit your video or create a new one. So it took me a little bit of a learning curve to get used to this because it is rather complex. You can paste any media here from SoundCloud, Vimeo, HTML5 media, or a YouTube video like I did over here. So I took the Video Remix OT1 preview and I have inserted it here. Just copy and paste the URL over here and it will load here under your media, and then you just select your media and it will load your video here on the timeline. After that, you can select elements over here. You have text, text transparent masking, pop-up, image, personalized image, loop, skip, or pause. You can actually select a different time in the video and put a pause in it, so it will pause for the amount that you have set to pause, like 2 seconds for example, or you can loop a certain period of the video to go back to the beginning, and you can select how many times you can loop. The personalized image is really cool. I'm gonna explain what it means later on. The text editing is a simple text, and the text transparent masking means that the text itself will be transparent, and everything else would be the color that you choose from, like this over here. So let's go to the beginning. I'm just gonna play it here for a second. So this is the pause. This is a little glitch over here. This is the pop-up, this element over here that you can of course personalize as well. Let's continue. Okay, so this was just a little bit of a demonstration here. Okay, so what is cool about this software? What does this personalization mean? I mean, if you enter the text here, and you can see you can place the first name, last name, email, geo country, and so on, tabs on this, on every single element there is. And what it does is basically you can set up a squeeze page, and you can put the name field there and the email address, and people enter their name and email, and after that you can take it into a personalized video that has their name on the video. And not only that, but this element over here, personalized image, that means that if a person, especially if they enter like their first, last name and their email, the software will find images of that person and put them in the video where you set this personalized image. So for example, if if your name is I don't know, John Goodman or something like that, it will find your images on Google, and it will put them on your in the video itself. I have never seen this feature before. It's really cool. The one part where I had to oh, by the way, the instructions are like really cool. Let me just show you some tutorials. Okay, so let's say you go here and let's say you go to the help section, which is the tutorial section. You have all of them, listed here by type. So it doesn't matter now. Let's go to personalization. Let's say text personalization. So you go to here, you say try, and it leads you step by step. So it says exactly where you need to click on the on the software, and you actually click on that. It takes you to the next step that you have to do. So you have explanation over here. So you can take any of these codes over here and place them into your element, and you just click on what it shows you and read the explanations, and it tells you how to set everything up. So it's really cool. You actually are not only looking how it's done, you actually are doing it while you are learning. So that's really cool. Okay, so let's say we want to produce this one. This is the part they have to learn a bit. First you have to save it. And of course you can preview your video here. It will go full screen, and when you're ready you can go to produce and click produce and share. You can select here to autoplay video or and preload it, and you can put it. You have lead pages here for the option WordPress, Optimize Press, and other. For other, this is just the HTML code element, and you can just insert it into your web pages. If you're using InstaBuilder, for example, this is very easy. Just use the HTML element and put this inside. You also have WordPress, and you can install the WordPress plugin, and then you just copy and paste this embed code into your WordPress. That's pretty easy. So let's go by default and click on next. The next step, it will ask you for your autoresponder. Since mine is not here, I'm going to click this one, and then you click on you have to select this code, and you just have to paste it in your browser or your Word text document, and you have to replace this first name. Just a second. Okay, so this is the code, and this over here after the first name. So we only have the first name token here. So this is the part that you have to replace with the merge fields of your autoresponder. You have to actually know them, but you can just Google them and you can find them, or just ask your autoresponder support if you're not listed on the autoresponders they have here. So I used Benchmark, and I just actually contacted the support of Video Remix, and they're terrific. They have given me the merge fields that I need. So it's the simple matter of just copying this link, putting the merge fields at the end over here, and that's it. That's the code that you take the entire code here, and you just put them in your autoresponder campaigns when you write emails. So after somebody enters their email and their name, they will be redirected to the video. Okay, so all in all, this is really cool. It will give you that more personalized touch with your list, with your subscribers, and I do recommend check this out. There's one thing I didn't mention. You can hide this for a better view. In the dashboard you have templates. Analytics strategy is the part of the upgrade. This is the sales page for that upgrade. Let's see how much it is. It's 92 bucks, one-time payment. What is it? So these are the 4 personalized strategies and campaigns. So if you take advantage of this, you'll have access to the 4 personalized strategies and campaigns as I analyze them and give you the edge. Affiliate marketing campaign, e-commerce product campaigns, local business campaigns, software, and info. So this is basically training. Let's see here. 4 top secret video personalized strategies, e-commerce personalized module, affiliate marketing, product personalization, local personalization module, personalization, local sales script, case studies, and in-depth analysis, step-by-step over-the-shoulder demos. So that's what you get for 92 one-time payment. In the dashboard, okay, let's go under the training tab. This is where all the tutorials are, and they're very cool. I've never seen them done this way before. So actually recommend you check this product out. It will give you definitely an edge over your campaigns. I hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.